A Richard of all trades has asked me to create a flask for sand casting with aluminum. He wants a small one, 4 inches square on each side on the inside, and then he only wanted it to be relatively short and like 2.5 inches tall. So this is me making that. I didn't think of it when I was gluing these together, but I decided I'm going to do some pocket holes to extra strength. So that's what I'm going to do now. Since the joint was already glued together, I had to take the brace off of the pocket hole joiner and just hold it with my own hands. Alright, so the way this is supposed to work is we got some indexing pins, and what he's going to do is on this one first, he's got the holes, he's going to pound some specific sand that that has the properties that you can use for casting, and then he's going to insert the template, and then once that's done, he'll flatten it up. He'll take this other one with the pins, slide it into place, and then pound new sand after putting some sort of talc or whatever, talc and sand here, and then he will pull them apart. Once he pulls them apart, then he'll pull out the template, and then he'll be able to reassemble them carefully, and then he'll be able to pour his molten material. I had a little extra wood, so I made a smaller one. And then he also asked for just some boards that would sit on top. I'm not really sure what he's going to do with them. So I think I'm going to put a cove on these edges here, just so that he can easier pull them apart. Maybe that might help. Hopefully this will work. All right, let's see how it works. So put it together. He wants to pull it apart. Get his fingers in there, and you can pull it apart easier. Get some fingers there, can pull it apart. I think that's gonna work all right. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.